All of my youngest, some savages running your trap, fit you up with the packages. Drop you for bricks, finesse you for pounds. Fuck all that talking, they laying you down. Gotta teach niggas about playing around. Cartel connected, you gotta respect it.
All I got is myself, I don't need no one else. I'm not leaning on God, I'm not looking for help. When you look in my eyes, you see heaven or hell. Just grinding so I don't see inside of cells. Some people wanna make their mama proud, some people thinking they got something to prove. Puffed out chest like the top of the school. 30 people deep, I'm alone in the room. Drowning in my thoughts, I'm just needing a tune. Smoking all the weed till I'm top of the moon. Whatever it takes to escape all these wounds. They should've slayed with a blade in the womb. All of the pain and the shame can resume. Stop me in place where I'm chasing the goons. Here I am now and I'm facing the truth. Mama didn't raise me, she crazy and crude. My daddy did hate, I got angry and moved. Jumped around couches, a floor and a roof. Thinking about death and escape, I'm immune. But then I sit back and I'm thinking of you. All I got is myself, I don't need one else. But if you came back, then I'd ask you for help. Keep searching forever for heaven to hell. Didn't want you to go, can you call me on cell? Miss you, I love you, I'm sorry I failed. I'll see you again, time it will tell. All I got is myself, I don't need no one else.